Hello everybody, today we make fried calamari and with a fresh marinara sauce. Look how beautiful color it come out of this. It's so crunchy. Look like potato chips. It's so delicious. I got over here plum tomato. Already I take the skin out and I chop. I got a fresh basil from my plant I got over here in the house. I got my fresh oil baby, hot pepper, really hot. And I got shallot and garlic I chopped already. And I got over here the flour, and I put already black pepper and sea salt. Over here I got the calamari already. You know, a lot of people, you don't know to clean the calamari, to put upside down. What do? You use the thumb or the big finger. And this is the calamari. And you do like this. And you put the finger right over here. And you put inside. Like that. And one time you turn, and look, you see what you got over here? It's why you gotta clean up this stuff, you see? It's why you gotta make sure the clean and make sure the wash. And now I wanna put on the cold the wash. Okay, now we gotta start to cut the calamari in a ring. A quarter, it's like maybe half inch like this, you see? You need a good knife, okay? Like this you can cut good calamari. And I put right over here, okay, you got a little water, and like this, it dry the calamari. Now, one time I finish the calamari in a ring, we start to do the marinara sauce. Okay, now we start the marinara sauce. Let's put the gas on. And I want to use olio di oliva. And look a nice color this olio di oliva. Beautiful. And I got over here garlic and onion shallot. Okay, already do. Got my wooden spoon. I want to cook a little bit, saute the garlic and the shallot. Okay, now we put the oil baby. This is really hot stuff. Oil baby. Oil baby, everybody knows it. It's the hot pepper, okay? A lot of people they say it was a good store. They ask, they say, please, I want to buy my oil baby. And the people they say, what baby? I don't got no baby over here. He said, no, it's hot pepper. He said, oh, oil baby. Make sure to not burn my shallot and garlic with the oil baby. Okay, my shallot, garlic, and my oil baby ready, and now my plum tomato. Oh, and already the smell so good. Now we put a little fresh basil, and gotta keep on low. And I cut with my finger, cannot cut with a knife, it lose all the juice. Okay, we put a little sea salt. That's it. a little black pepper. Okay, now we gotta leave it cook on low. And now we gotta start to prepare the calamari. Okay, now the flour, we mix the flour, gotta put salt and black pepper. A little bit like that. And now we take the calamari and we put on the flour and we mix. Make sure the mix good with the flour. Okay, after, so pour it, come out right. Okay, now I put the calamari right over here. I want to finish to take all the flour out. I don't want to know too much flour when I fry in oil. And make sure when you put in oil, the watch got the oil that's really hot. It's really dangerous, you burn yourself. Now we leave it fry to be nice gold color. And make sure to turn once in a while, because this, want to be stuck together, stick together the calamari. And the oil I use, it's a peanut oil. Okay, now this it's done. Look how beautiful it come out. Really nice. We put over here in a paper towel. And look how beautiful it look. We need a little sea salt. It tastes good. I can't wait to try with the marinara sauce and nice glass of wine. I want to do chin-chin with everybody. Okay, everything is done now, and now it's time to eat. I want to taste my fried calamari. We put a little marinara sauce. I want to put this marinara sauce just like that. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Really good. I want to enjoy this tonight. A nice glass of wine. Salute chin-chin. Tonight, white wine. Got the calamari, same color. Huh? Salute e chin-chin, everybody. Thank you very much. Really, really good. I was eating someplace and I was sent back. You know why? I was chew the little plastic calamari got inside. I call it plastic, but everybody know it got some shine hard stuff. And I said, I don't want. And I was sent back. Me, I like the fried calamari just like that. Because when you eat one like this, you're okay. Now the calamari started. Look, look, look. It came right in my hands. Look there. You burn my hands after I eat everything, after I burn you.
What happened to the stove?
Oh, look how beautiful the stove will look now. Now let's take this out. And look at this. Now, what I gotta do, you need all your gomito. You gotta scrape everything. But look at this, the oil all over the place. You know why? The calamari, everybody know, when you cook the calamari, it go pew, 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 pew. It look like a firework. That's what it did to me. Look at this. Okay, now I need more time to clean up all my stuff. They look beautiful like before.